Worried about how you'll be graded for your cancelled GCSE exams? Don't be, please. Blame COVID-19 for the cancellation, though. Now back to the gist. How are the GCSE grades going to be awarded? Now, schools will need to send some information about you in each subject that you do to the subject exam board. If you do English with AQA, for example, two information will need to be sent to AQA. If you do maths with EdExcel board, two information will need to be sent to EdExcel board. I hope that's clear. Now, the two information needed will be one about you, your achievements, what your teachers know about your work and their subjects. For example, what your mock result was alongside your homework scores in the past, your classwork scores in the past, everything they know about you, they'll send it to the respective exam board. The second piece of information that your teacher or your school will send to the exam board will be the list of all the students in that particular subject in that school, their performance and their grade. Everything will need to be sent to the exam board. Now, I want to believe your mock results should be checked alongside with your assessment scores, like I said, your homework scores and everything. But the most important thing about the teacher's work about you is what your progress would have been like in that subject if exams were not cancelled. So the progress is what the teacher is actually sending to the exam board on your behalf. And then at the end, all schools and course colleges results will be put together. The standardization to work out a grade boundary for each subject will then start. This is to ensure that, the result of everybody is put together and the grading system is fair. So no school or college would be at an advantage than the others. So your teacher's grade sent to the exam board might be totally different from your final GCSE grade. There is no point then asking if your teacher sent a good grade or not to the exam board on your behalf, as that will not be important. You see what I'm saying? Because as far as standardization is concerned, it doesn't matter what grade your teacher has given to them, to the exam board. They'll need to work out a grading system, which is technically the same as in previous years. So there shouldn't be any panic as far as moving ahead in your future career goals. It applies to AS and A levels too. So I'm not sure about those taking other general and vocational or technical qualifications. For private students, I do know that the government said in the news some time ago that they are working on alternative options. So guys, you need to keep reading your books, solving your maths, learning a new course, make good use of your time. You see, you need to just carry on doing the normal things as you would do if you were still in school. And don't panic, because the grading system is still the same as the way the other grading systems over the years have been. All right? So I wish you good luck. Bye-bye.